Robert from your onlinerevenue.com. If you are looking for an unbiased expert review of gaming jobs online, you have come to the right place. In this video I will evaluate whether or not gaming jobs online is a good way for you to make money online. And I will also reveal you a better way to make money online as a gamer. Some time ago I have published a review on my website or onlinerevenue.com. Is gaming jobs online legit? Can you earn easy $39,000 per year? And this is a completely unbiased expert review. I don't receive any money from gaming jobs online. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. And here I reveal you the truth about this system. By the way, if you are not familiar with our website, on your onlinerevenue.com, we have reviewed more than 400 make money online opportunities so far. And I also help people to get started to making money online. If you want to get my 7-day email course for free, just go to my homepage and insert your email address there, and I will send you 7-day course so you can make money online. So my review has been read already for more than 800 people, and it has received lots of discussion. As you can see, 26 comments. And what gaming jobs online is promising is that discover how you too can easily make an average, they say an average of more than $39,000 per year, enjoying yourself as a professional video game tester, getting paid to play video games. And then on their website they say also other things. They say you can get paid to review new games for up to $30 per hour and many other things. Then they show that they are the source between you and these high paying corporations. They have huge promises here on their website. Easy to get started, create account, choose jobs, play and get paid. But the truth is that it's not so good as it sounds, as you may already have assumed. There are actually a few red flags that I have showed on my review. I will leave you a link in the description of this video if you are watching this on YouTube. youronlinerevenue.com/isgamingjobsonline a scam. So first of all, they have huge promises, and they have exactly similar websites that were not reliable. Those websites are called Writing Jobs Online, Photography Jobs Online, and Gold Opinions. As you can see, there is a similar layout. It works with the same idea that you need to pay for the membership and then you get access to these companies. They say, we are the source between you and these high-paying corporations. Our proprietary partnerships make it easy to make thousands of dollars per month. Again, these huge promises. And they are part of a suspicious affiliate network called Click Better. I have also published a review of that. And then they have some false information on their website. They say that the promotion is going to end last year, October 2017, but then they have also, then again next day they have the same promotion still, and this kind of lies. And many people who have reviewed gaming jobs online say that it's not worth it. I'm not saying that it would be a complete scam, but the way how these websites work is that they have links to other websites where you could earn money, and the earnings will certainly not be anything like they promise, much smaller. And most websites that they link to are survey websites where you will earn maximum, let's say, a few dollars per hour. So my verdict on gaming jobs online is that you shouldn't go for it. It's not, their website is not even secure, and there are so many red flags that they have. Let me show you, for example, their income. Here they say that how much will you make an hour. Let's say you earn $20 per hour, and you could earn yearly income of more than $53,000 per month. Of course, this is a calculator, but they are trying to make you excited of how you could make money with this. But your earnings will be much less. And then if you want to join, you need to pay for the membership, and I highly recommend avoiding it. I highly recommend avoiding it. Now they say that the promotion is going to end September 2, 2018. I published this review last year, and let me show you. They also said that the same promotion is going to end October 5th of 2017. So the promotion is still available, and it always will be available. So don't join gaming jobs online, in my opinion. If you want to make money online as a gamer, I have a wonderful strategy for you. It's called affiliate marketing, and that's my #1 recommendation to make money online. That's how I make my living online. I will leave you a link in the description of this video where I teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing. And notice that this is not a get rich quick scheme, unlike gaming jobs online. They promise that you will earn easy money online. I promise that you can make money online, but it requires time and effort. But this is a proven strategy that I and many of my friends are using. Colton James, the friend from the United States, he made more than $10,000 per month. He was also the member of the Wealthy Affiliate community. And he was interested in gaming, and this is how he made his money. So these are the 4 steps to make money online. The first step is that you choose your interest. So in this case, it's gaming. You are interested in playing games. So the second step is you build a simple website about games. And that's very simple. If you don't have any programming experience or any technical knowledge, don't worry. There are easy to use tools. And I've also created you step-by-step instructions how you can create a website. You just click here, create your very own website here, and then your website will be ready in less than 30 seconds. So don't worry, nowadays in 2018 and beyond, building a website is easier than ever before. So here you just choose your website name and you can get started. So you build a basic website around gaming. Then you get visitors to your website. You can reach thousands of people for free on search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And the step 4 is the best part. You will earn revenue. And how will you earn revenue? When people come to your website, and there are actually hundreds of ways to monetize your site, but here are a few examples. Somebody clicks your ad, so you can put advertisements to your website. Or when somebody clicks your link and shops on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, whatever website, you can just leave a link to Amazon to your favorite playing computer, and when somebody buys, you earn a commission. Let me give you a calculation example. Let's say that you put a link to Amazon to a gaming computer that costs $2,000. Let's say that Amazon will pay you, let's say, 6% commission. Sometimes they pay more if you are doing well with them. You earn $120 for that one sale. And let's say that if you make 10 sales per day, that's only $1,200 per day. That shows the potential, how much you can earn money with that, and that's of course not the limit. Some people are making even much more money with affiliate marketing. But as I said, this requires time and effort, and you need to learn the steps. And my #1 recommendation for training is called Wealthy Affiliate. There are also other affiliate marketing trainings, but this is my #1 recommendation because it's really easy to get started. They have this step-by-step training online entrepreneur certification course. It's free to get started, so you can get started here and go through these lessons. And then I will also provide you my one-on-one support and help, so you can ask me anything you want. They have 2 membership options. Let me show you quickly. Free starter membership and premium, and I recommend that you get started with the free account, so you will see how it works and you see that you will really make money with this. And then they have a premium membership that is $49 per month or $359 per year. I am myself yearly. I use the yearly premium membership because it's a little bit cheaper, like less than $1 per day, and that includes 50 websites and unlimited support and all kinds of tools that will help you to make more money with your website. With a free starter account, you can already get 2 free websites and a free domain hosting on a subdomain, and also my one-on-one coaching for the first 7 days. So during the first 7 days, you can ask me anything. I will answer all your questions. And here are some benefits of the Wealthy Affiliate. It's very easy to follow, step-by-step training. They have been in the business for more than 13 years, and since 2005 they have already taught more than 1.5 million members to make money online. And there is a huge income potential. You can make more than $10,000 per month, but that requires work and effort and persistence. And that's a long-term income source. Websites like this, they are often get-rich-quick schemes or just to survey sites that pay you a few dollars, but this provides you a long-time income source. So here are a few success stories. I show you how people are making money with this. Vitaly, my friend, originally from Russia, nowadays in the United States, he's making more than $60,000 per year. Anis, my friend from Italy, making more than $2,000 per month. Jerry Huang from Singapore, originally from Taiwan, is making more than $3,000 per month online. Only 21 years old, so that's how you can also, if you are a young man. Kyle from the United States makes more than $6,500 per month. Very humble man, making big money online. Kyle and Carson are the creators and founders of Wealthy Affiliate. Kyle is your coach there, so when you start this training, step-by-step training, Kyle will teach you through all the steps. You will get used to his voice. He has these screencast videos to get started. And Jay Neal has every week weekly live webinars where he teaches you how you can make more money online, and he tackles different subjects about it. And you can read my whole review here and get started for free with the starter account, and later on when you start making money with this, you can then upgrade to the premium and get all the resources. Alright, thank you very much for watching my Gaming Jobs online review. I recommend staying always far away from get-rich-quick schemes and all websites that promise you lots of money quickly. And I only recommend going for reliable websites that have proven track record, like Wealthy Affiliate. Over the years, they have helped thousands of people to make money online, like myself. And if you want to make money online as a gamer and you want to get my one-on-one support, just let me know in the comments below or get started on Wealthy Affiliate, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching. Smash up the like, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Hello my friend. Once you give a like to one of my videos, I will do 10 push-ups. Every time somebody subscribes to my YouTube channel, I donate money to the poor children. When you share one of my videos, I will be so thankful to you. When you leave a comment or ask a question under any of my videos, I will reply to you personally. So if you want to support healthy lifestyle, poor children, or you want to make more money online, subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and ask in the comments below if you need any help, and I'll be more than happy to help you out.